In this video I will show you how to clean the bottom of a pool using a pool vacuum. I have a frame pool with a volume of 15 cubic meters of water made by Bestway Steel Pro Max. It's a good pool and it has a sand filter. Everything works well and gets cleaned. But after filling it with new water, these stains appeared on the bottom. This is all rust inside the pipes. Almost the entire bottom is covered with a thin layer of rust. It needs to be removed. To clean the pool, I bought this vacuum for the bottom. Now let's take a look at what it consists of. Here we have the brush itself, a hose, and a long telescopic pole with a handle like this. Now we'll assemble the vacuum and unpack the brush. The brush has this shape. Here it has a metal mount that needs to be installed in place for securing. Here's a little plastic pin like this. We squeeze it from one side and it comes out. Now we can put this hinge in its place. Just thread the pin through here from one side and push it in until it locks. There, one part is ready. Now we need to connect the hose to the vacuum. My hose is 7.5 meters long. I got it with some extra length to make it more convenient to use. They come in different lengths, from 6 meters up to 15. Choose according to your pool. Let's unpack it. The hose is quite sturdy, reinforced. Now connect one end of the hose to this outlet on the vacuum. Everything fits together quite tightly and conveniently. And let's attach the pole to this part. This pole is adjustable, telescopic, very convenient and easy to use. It extends well to the required length and is securely fastened with a clamp mechanism, just like on the vacuum. On the other end of the pole there are two small holes where you need to attach this vacuum. Just insert it inside. And here there is also a small locking spring mechanism that needs to securely snap and click into place. Now the vacuum is secured in its place. Now it is necessary to connect this hose to the suction port of the pump. Here I have a skimmer connected to the suction port. There is a 3-in-1 tablet inside it, and now it is necessary to connect the hose that goes to the skimmer and attach the vacuum hose there. Lower the vacuum hose to the bottom. I had to disconnect the skimmer and connect it through the skimmer hose. It fits on quite snugly like this. And now we'll start vacuuming the bottom of the pool. Turn the pump onto suction. The vacuum has started. Let's get to work. The hose has started to fill with water. Wait until all the air comes out. After that, the air is released. Now the bottom is starting to get cleaned. All the dirt goes into the filter and comes out as clean water. It's convenient that there's a single round surface, so you can clean well around the perimeter of the pool. The pole is long, so it's very easy to use. And after that, we'll rinse the filter sand. Switch to rinse mode and turn on the pump. I use the water for watering plants. Very convenient. After that, we turn off the pump and switch to the drop mode. This is for rinsing the remaining sand so it settles. We start by turning on the pump. The water is a little cloudy, but not as much as before. To make sure everything is properly cleaned, we rinse the items under running water for about 2 or 3 minutes. During this time, we gently move or agitate the items to help wash away any remaining dirt or residue. It's important to... After rinsing, we'll pour water into the bucket again and check its clarity. As you can see, the water has become completely clear. That means we can switch the filter to its normal filtration mode. And we turn on the pump for 8 to 10 hours. After that, the air is released and clean water comes out, which is no different from the main water supply.